Today, let us talk about multiple mains fatigue. Now, if you are a aspirant who has given multiple mains, this may be your second, third, sometimes fourth, fifth mains you are giving, you will be facing the multiple mains fatigue, which we'll discuss. I am your mentor Faris Rahman, and today let's dig deep into multiple mains fatigue. Now, the first aspect of this multiple mains fatigue is everything seems familiar. Let's say you're studying GS1 or GS2, 3, 4, optional, you're writing an essay, everything seems familiar. यार इसको मैंने पहले पढ़ा है and फिर उसको पढ़ना है, nothing seems new, or very limited new things you are studying. And yes, at that point of time it gets a little bit boring, little bit mundane, very routine kind of studies. And next thing about this multiple mains fatigue is the expectations you have with yourself and your parental or your peers expectations from you. Like, दूसरी बार मेंस दे रहे हैं, पिछली बार इंटरव्यू तक गए थे, or third time it is your mains, and the further you are into this attempt, and more expectations from yourself, you yourself expecting from you, as well as your familial expectations. And third thing is the feeling of being stuck in this cycle. I can totally empathize with you when it is your more than second mains, or even in your second mains, the feeling of being stuck, looking for that moksha of getting this rank and exiting from this system. Fourth thing is too much stress, too much feeling lack of productivity, feeling that you are not your usual self. Okay, this is also a common symptom of multiple mains fatigue. Let me tell you this following tips and techniques for you to how to overcome this multiple mains fatigue. First, divide your targets into small actionable outcomes. Set small targets and achieve them. And upon achieving them, reward yourself. It can be a short break, or it can be even a chocolate or a dish that you like to eat. The next thing that I want you guys to do is plan your breaks very effectively. Okay, even between studies, and occasionally you can take a half day break or a full day break to rest, relax, and rejuvenate. Third thing here is the role of your mentors or even friends here in this case. You should always have somebody to talk to, especially about the emotional aspect of it or the strategical aspect of it. When you talk to some person who can understand, you will be able to share with them and overcome those multiple mains fatigue. And fourth thing is having a proper balance between your studies and your writing tests. Do not go berserk, do not go radical, do not do extra things. Stick to what works. See, with your previous attempt, you will know what worked for you, what did not work for you. Based on that, keep on improving on your strengths and while overcoming your weaknesses. Always remember to play to your strengths. And next thing is always understand that basics are always important. Do not ignore the basics. What happens is the further you are into your attempt, let's say you're in your second mains or third mains, the tendency would be to look more for value addition and ignore the basics. I totally agree there should be some amount of value addition, but not at the cost of your basics. Always revise basics effectively. I know it may be a little boring after multiple mains, but remember, this is something that you have already done. It will not take much time. So revise your basics. And last but not the least, work on your physical and mental health daily. Okay, if not daily, at least 4 times per week, keep some physical activity, be it walking, running, jogging, gymming, dance, anything. Okay, to keep your mind and body fresh. And at least for daily 15 minutes, practice mindfulness, practice meditation. This will go a long way in helping you recover both physically and mentally, and do wonders for your preparation. So in this following ways will help you overcome the multiple mains fatigue. All the best for your mains examination, and to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Take care. All the best.